Yeah.
What's going on? Oh, okay.
Just end it.
What's going on YouTube?
Hi. So we're at AGC, All Japanese Classics. It's a local show, and Sandra is recording me right now. Sandals Garage.
Sandals Racing.
Sandals Racing, you guys.
We got Droxiev.
Jordan Crescenzo. Classy Clean S13. Originally spec sexy. There you go. But it wasn't. At 240 Travis, who doesn't actually drive a 240 anymore because it's broken. And then
Breakfast.
I don't know everybody else's Instagrams.
Where's the 180?
Where's my monster?
Did you drive the arm?
Steven's looking for him.
Turn around.
Yeah, what the hell?
Go home.
You're gorgeous. I love you.
It's really bright.
What's going on?
So yeah, we're at AGC. It's called All Japanese Classics.
Jesus, some more enthusiasm.
Guys, it's so dope. We're out here. We're at AGC. I'm so tired. This isn't even like fun. So yeah, there's like.
What's going on, guys? How's it going? Hi, I'm Raph. How's it going?
They've seen you before.
Okay, well, what's up?
Hi. So yeah, there's like literally any car that you can think of that's a Nissan or a Toyota basically and old, they're here. So it's pretty dope. I'm really tired, so this is going to be a very unenthusiastic vlog as per usual. So yeah.
Like, do you know how many people have told me to park here and it was okay? So I'm just gonna be like, what's going on? Yeah. What's going on? Stop YouTube.
Park is full anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
So there's a lot of old Datsuns, a lot of old Nissans, a lot of old Toyotas. What else is here? Subarus. What else is Japanese? That's about it, honestly.
That's
oh, there's some Mazdas. There's some Mazdas.
There is some Mazdas.
Yeah. Oh, there's a really nice FD you guys are gonna like a lot. What else is here? I don't know. There's a lot of really cool builds, and it's a lot of like old school stuff, and it's all like the old guys who like build all their stuff themselves. They're not going for like high horsepower or anything, but they do like motor swaps and they like make the body. Okay, actually no. The main difference is that they don't just do like looks and they don't just do power. They do both. Like I would say that's the main difference, because a lot of like our generation is just like, yep, let's do really a lot of power like me, or let's do a lot of looks like Steven's Laurel. So yeah. I don't know.
What's Travis's car? You're just slow and you're ugly.
Frick. Got me. Okay, so we're like right at the end of summer. It's still hot. Everybody here is wearing, you know, shorts, shirt, short. Okay, you're wearing a sweater, but it's rolled up.
Sorry, what?
You always wear pants. Sandra's here wearing a freaking like fake ass leather jacket.
It's not fake leather. It's from Valley Village, okay? Give me a break, please.
Sandra, can I wear it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh no.
Oh, here we go.
Man's not hot. Man's can never be hot.
Man's just wearing another shirt underneath.
Why did he?
What?
He always does that. He always wears an undershirt. He's like an old man.
I don't know. It's just while I was sitting in the shade, while I was walking around, I was quite
Nice, dude.
Why does that look
What's
better
going
on-
on, guys?
Why does that look better on reality? Look at
true though. That's actually kind of true though.
Let's do this with them.
Okay.
Oh, what's up, boys?
What the hell is going on here?
Not so nice.
Dude, that's my buddy's car, man.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's fully
Why is his
set.
exhaust so small?
It's like a stock KA. He doesn't need it.
Oh, that's fair.
You just set the whole chassis up for lifting.
Okay, so it's a stock exhaust, and he just extended the tips out. That's all he did.
Leave him alone.
Whatever floats your goat.
He just like pulled the subframe and rebuilt everything, and like it's so drifty now.
Really?
Yeah, it's like he was just he pulled up a minute ago and was so hyped. He was like, "Dude, I took it sliding last night. It was amazing. Oh, I just replaced the clutch. It's fantastic." Yeah.
I can't wait to do that.
Yeah, last weekend he pulled the engine out on Saturday and put it back in on Sunday, apparently.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yeah.
It took me like 6 months to do that. Midnight Purple. GTR. B-Spec and everything. Nice. Nissan Patrol. The rear seats of this thing are absolutely insane. Fully seat belted and everything. Oh. It has that old car like musty smell.
Oh yeah.
Like you smelled like this from the seats. Yeah. It's like gas and a little bit of like. I can't even tell you what it smells like, but it's just got that like old car smell and it's so good.
No, my garage.
Whoa.
Oh, I see. Okay, it's like the one in the back. I was like, what is going on here?
Well, that's that.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
Oh, that's so cool.
Those are made by Fuji.
Wow.
That's, oh man, that's
50th anniversary GTR. So this new to this year. R34 GTR. Autech Stagia. Whichever way. And R32 GTR. Okay, so hey Steven, can you explain what we're doing right now? What you guys are doing since you're registered?
We have voting cards, and it's by people's choice. So we're just walking around picking out our favorite cars. There's some beautiful 240Zs here. There's a gray one. A blue one. That's a 280. There's a blue one down around the corner that's got an RB25 swap. There's a Yamaha something. There's some nice cars.
Yeah.
Some very nice cars.
There's the V6 front or the VQ. Okay, so explain your reasoning.
Did you show them the car?
Okay, so this is the car that Steven voted for. Right? Okay, you see it? So now we're gonna get his reasoning. Reasoning.
It's a beautiful car. It's very nicely done. It with the fender flares, just the fitment, it's very nice. It's just nicely put together.
Yeah.
Triple carbs, like triple Webers. Sorry. It's just a nicely
Put
together car. It's like it's relatively stock, but it's also been like modified slightly.
Yeah.
This is a car you drive.
Yeah.
So I enjoy that.
Okay.
I enjoy it.
Very good.
This is how I would build it.
There are definitely some other nice cars here.
There's some like there's like some fancy built ones, but then there's like really well put together stock kind of modified ones, which is also very good.
Let's keep looking. There's other ones.
LS?
Oh baby.
Wow. Ooh, almost ate it. This is cool. So this is a 240. Is this a 240 or 260, 280? So this is also a 240Z. ZX? Z.
The ZX only came out in the 280s.
Ah, okay. So this is a 240Z, and it's got an LS2 in it.
Beautiful car.
So that's insane. Yeah.
Needs a little bit of body work.
But
The wheels kind of look like beep. So
yeah, I know what you mean.
there's actually a company that made wheels that literally look like dicks. It's spokes like this, and it's two balls, and it's a shaft with a head. It's so funny. If I can find them, I'll show them to you later.
I'll put the picture in if Steven finds it. We'll probably
literally
find
just go on Google, type in dick wheel.
Yeah.
First
So
thing that's gonna come up.
if he finds it, I'll try and put it in. I don't know. Can I put that in?
Yeah.
I could probably put that in.
Put that in.
Through these. Thank God.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Very nice. Water meth injection as well.
This is my close second.
Yeah. So this is an RB25, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To water intercooler.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's cool.
This car is cool too. The paint is really
Very
cool
well.
too.
The fitment's really good too, even on small wheels.
Look at the back.
I wonder, is it on air? Yeah.
If this is static,
No, it's on air, I think. Impressive. I like the wheels pop on the color a lot. Yeah. This one's okay. Not bad. I like it.
Gorgeous car.
Are these all wheel or rear wheel? Rear wheel.
No, this one's supercharged.
Yo! Get out of my way!
When it's got the big brake kit and everything.
Well, isn't this like one of your dream cars?
Pretty much like this,
With the
except
supercharger?
This except white.
White.
It's
so
like
cool.
the whatever it called, Whipple supercharger.
Yeah.
Wiffle blower?
Something like
The
that.
leaf blower?
There you go. That different color, different wheels.
Wow.
There's no thing.
I love the blue. Ooh, looking for quotes for bodywork or paint? Just gonna take a little recording of that.
Brian.
There we go. I'll keep that.
Oh,
Yeah,
look
I
at the
need
steering wheel.
So small.
That's like what,
it.
200 mil?
Love it.
So small.
You know how long it would take you to turn with that? Like how many rotations? That'd be like what, 6
And
rotations
with
probably?
no power steering, you're just
Look how tiny the steering wheel is. I bet your hand's bigger
with
than
no
it.
power steering too.
Yeah, you could almost palm it.
Yeah, it's no
That's
power
so
steering, but it weighs like 5 pounds.
Tiny steering wheels are my favorite.
Yeah. Huh. Toyota Hilux. Yeah. This thing's cool too. I can't believe this is like a stock option. So cool. El Grand.
I've seen this in Richmond
This
for
is a
sure.
100%. This is what.
Yeah, it's very well built.
I like
The top mount top mount intercooler and everything. Oh, meth injection. 100%. I don't know where his meth bottle is, but it's hiding somewhere. There is definitely
What's going on in here? Oh,
meth injection.
whole bunch of stuff.
Lots is going on in here.
I love rotaries.
They're awesome pieces of
Yeah, pretty much. They're awesome while they work.
Yeah.
94.
Scarier when you're like driving around in the rain.
Yeah. Whoa, this has meth injection too.
That yellow S13.
Nice.
Had an intern at my
Oh, I know this guy.
That's her brother's car.
Okay, this thing, RB26.
Which one?
This S13. Hey, no. Go to the back of the car. I want to get your reaction on this. You'll probably like it though.
Doesn't even look like an RV.
Okay.
Look. Nope. Look up. Look at the hatch.
What?
Right?
It's a bold.
No.
It's a no from me, to be honest.
But it's authentic BN Sports Kit. They only ever made 10.
10?
He has one. Yeah, 10.
That's pretty cool.
So it's super rare, which like does it for me.
I want to put the rear louvers back.
Probably one of the cleanest 240s. It's fully stock. But it's got like 360,000 kilometers on it. But it's super clean because obviously it's been taken care of. I think it's been resprayed as well, most likely, but it's like seriously like so clean. It's an 89 or 90 most likely. Well, not most likely, it is, because it has the different front bumper and it has a single cam KA instead of dual cam, so it's very clean though. I love black. Black 240s are nice. And then you have the full drift spec. Very nice though. Has a 1JZ in it. I've seen him drift and he's wild. He's insane. He's really good.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy KSI. We're back again, got another outfit review. Today here we got the Vans, $15, socks, Walmart, $5, jeans, Balenciaga, 38 quid. Oh, belt I got at Urban Outfitters. Belt is about 14 pounds.
What about this, mate? How much was this one?
Key Dollar Tree, about 50 cents. Honestly, most excited about these socks. Puma socks to match my Puma pants. I'm gonna Puma pants.
Bit of a cheeky mate, bro.
Bit of a cheeky Nando brand, yeah?
Mate, you having a dart? Hey, I'm gonna go have a fag, mate.
Pants, $11. Socks, you got socks for approximately $6. Shoes, $15. Backpack, $600. Looking fly, mate. You've officially been pimped.
Yeah. Thanks, bruv.
Oi, bruv, what kind of pizza you got there?
Oh, that was awesome.
Chicken Kiev.
This fully needs to go in the vlog.
Chicken Kiev. Shirt, about $14.
Quid. 14 quid.
14 quid from at Barney's.
Bonnie's.
I got it at Barney's.
Rise of Lights. Bit of a cheeky mate, bruv. What you doing over there?
Oi, you taking a piss, mate? Huh? You taking a piss, mate?
Not one, not two, but 3 spoon engines.
No.
3 T56 turbos with spoon engines. And a 150 shot of nitrous.
But you can't leave it.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah. Ooh. Are you filming his leg? Or are they doing work?
I'll do it in a bit.
You gotta braid it.
Don't pinch.
You gotta braid
Pinch.
it.
It hurts.
No, I'm not gonna do it.
Ow. Arthur, that hurts.
What the tattoo or something?
Welcome back to Fast and Sweaty ASMR.
Get the out of here with your AMSR.
Did you say AMSR?
Were you just filming that?
ASMR.
YMCA.
Alright, you guys. So, as per usual, I didn't record an outro. Didn't record a whole lot at the meet either, to be honest. So this is probably going to be a very short video. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. As per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because then you'll be notified when I upload. And you know what? Sometimes I make some pretty good I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.